In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open up a TastyTrade account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to tastytrade.com. Also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, it should bring something like this. And here you can see that you'll be able to open an account down here by clicking right here. And once you do that, you'll get this page right here where you can get started. From here, you'll need to enter your country of residence. And because I live in Denmark, I'll just choose Denmark right here. From here, you'll need to enter your email address, your username, password, and confirm your password. Once you've done that, you'll simply need to click sign up. Once you're signed up, you'll need to enter your full legal government name. You can also add a middle name or a suffix if you want to do that, but then from here you'll just need to click next. From here you'll need to enter your residence and address, where you can click in your address, apartment, city, country, state, and postal code. Once you've done that, you will be asked if you want to have a mailing address and if it's the same address as your resident address. From here you'll need to enter your mobile phone number, and then from here once you click next, you'll go down to citizen status, where you'll need to enter where your citizen are. You'll need to upload a picture of either your passport or driving license. Once you click next, from there you'll need to enter your tax information and your employment information, and then lastly affiliation information. Once you've done that, you'll need to select an account that you want to trade with. You'll need to add security, documents, and then you'll be able to send in for a review. Once the review is done, you'll get an email from TastyTrade that you have been accepted into the program, and then you'll get into the dashboard. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!